Hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. Do you want to organize your to-do tasks like a pro? In this video, you will learn how to use Trello for task management, making it easier to track tasks and meet deadlines. So guys, let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you can have the full experience. So first of all guys, make sure to go to Trello and go to here after you log into your account and click on create. This allows you to create a new board. Click right on it and here you will be able to create a board. So let me just write anything. For example, let me just name it task management, and here I'm gonna click on create. After you do so, a board will be created like that. This is how it would look like. You can here go to the settings and change the background if interested. You can change it into colors or basically into an image. Let's keep it something simple like that. So now how can we manage our to-do tasks? First of all, I would go right here and add a list. I'm gonna write here to-do list or something like that, to do tasks. Here ongoing, here done, and failed. So here normally what I would highly do is let me just create this. Okay, so I will put down here all the tasks that I want to make during the day. Then I'm gonna drag each task, and basically while I'm doing it, I'm gonna put it on ongoing. Once I'm finished, I'm gonna put it in done. In the end of the day, I'm gonna use all of the tasks or check all of the tasks that I didn't do and basically drag them to the failed section. Like that, I can keep a track of everything that I've done in my day. So let's do that real quick. Here, for example, read 20 page of a book, train for 35 minutes. Let's say for example, learn new task, new skill, and basically do my homework, for example. So with that being done, I can now, once I'm doing something, for example, heading now to the gym, I'm gonna drag this here, and basically while I'm training, it's been ongoing. Once I came back from home and from gym, I'm gonna just put it in done. Let's say for example I didn't do, or basically I did everything, so ongoing, I've done this and I've done this. Unfortunately during the day I couldn't read or learn new skill. I'm gonna just drag it to the failed list right here. You can edit it, you can change everything within the list, you can do a lot of things here, add rules and play with it as you want. Also, you can here choose and create from another template if you have the template already. You can from here also simplify your board with collapsible lists, so in case you had like premium version you could do that. And how can that help you a lot? Basically when it comes to, like, let's say you are a supervisor or manager of a team, well here you have to give your team their tasks, and here you can keep tracking, like without keep sending them an email or a message every time or going to their office. Basically you can just open Trello, and them also you have to add it as a rule that everyone is working on something has to put it in ongoing on Trello. And with that being said, you can keep on track with everything, like literally everything. And you can also add deadlines, so when people doesn't do something, when the deadline, for example here, let's say do my homework, here I'm gonna do like add a date, so here, so 2 days reminder here, for example start day today and tomorrow is the final date, so the deadline, so here it is, the due date. So once it's reached the due date and nobody actually did it, well then it will show to you. Let's change it, for example to 5, and let's make it here 35. Save. as you can see here, this card is recently overdue. So as you can see, once the card is overdue, the date will become red and you will notice that this task hasn't been done in the correct time. So you can do this in every single card with every single task. So you can keep on track with the time and basically with the team. So if nobody was making progress, then you have to discuss that with them. And so go on. Now, this is also gonna be very helpful if you learned how to play with the card. What I mean playing with the card is how to use these for your own advantage. Now, there is some tasks. For example, learn new skill. Let me just add something here. For example, develop or making a website. Now, making a website is a general idea if it comes to me. So the website itself has a lot of tasks to do, like the layouts, the design, the logos, the art, the developer, like the code itself, the PHP, the database, everything. So these things are different tasks. Well, you can implement them in this task itself. So you can add, first of all, description, so you can explain to people more about this task and what are they expected to do. And here, of course, you can add checklists. So the checklist is going to be multiple titles. For example, making the art. So for example, here, let's add another checklist. Coding the database. There it is. And here, as you can see, once the task has been done, I can simply just click right here and the task will be saved and basically done and marked as finished. This is very helpful. And also you can assign people to the task itself, like clicking right here, adding members that will assign people to this task. And there's also power apps on automations. For example, when something is done, you can do this. When something is like marked due date, here, for example, incomplete, add action, send it to another list, for example, or remove it. There was a lot of variations that you can work with that are very much very big and have a lot of like limitless. You can really go limitless with the power apps and the automation that Trello has. And that was it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and I tried to be as much as informative as possible. I've shown you a couple of things from the Power Apps automations, explained to you like that you can do a lot of things with the task itself. It has much more depth in them. So in case you want to be talking about task in a future video, make sure to mention that. And yeah, that was it. See you guys in the next tutorial.